Halo semua, kembali lagi dalam channel Masih Nerd. Dan hari ini saya akan membuat unboxing barang ini. Okay, ini video bukan Beyblade ya. Saya memang saja je nak buat unboxing sebab ini barang ni memang agak unik lah. Saya beli pensel mechanical brand Kurutoga dari Uni. Okay. Jadi sebelum itu pastikan korang tekan butang like, subscribe dan tekan butang notification. Okay, kalau korang perasan kenapa saya macam jarang upload video, senang je, itu sebab view drop. Tapi tidak apa, kalau saya mula minat naik main Beyblade lagi, itulah. Oi, mantap weh, bubble wrapping. Kedai mana ni? Mak lupa lah nama kedai tu. Tapi shout out pada kedai ini dari Shopee ini. Selamat hello Tupai. Kenapa kamu kacau video saya? Tapi tidak apa. Aight bah. Nasay streets disciple. My raps are trifle. I shoot slots from the brain just like a rifle. Stampede the stage. I live the microphone split. Flamers the top while I'm also pretty tone stuff. Verbal assassin. My architect pleases. When I was 12 I want to help. Okay. Mr. Nas is a rebel to America. Police murderer, I'm causing hysteria. My troops roll up with a strange force. I was trapped in the cage, they're let out by the main source. Swimming in woman like a lifeguard. But I'm the bulletproof. Brother, I strike hard. Kidnap the president's wife without a plan. And hanging brothers like the I'll melt mics till the sound waves over. Before stopping on me, I'd rather step to Jehovah. Slamming MCs on cement, cause verbally I'm iller than an AIDS patient. I move swift and uplift your mind. Shoot the gift when I riff and rhyme. Rapping sniper, speaking real words for thoughts react like Steven Spielberg's poetry attack. Paragraph punch hard. My brain is insane. I'm out to wow! Oi! Ada dua. Jadi ini dia. Oh, ni dalam package bundle lah. Okay, shout kepada Hafiz Pen and Paper. Ni saya ada kertas sebab nak mencuba pensel. Biasa pensel mechanical dia RM2.5 atau RM2, RM3 satu kan. Ini RM8 baru. Bukan RM9. Okay. Okay, ni tengok. Uni Mitsubishi Pen. Hoi! Mitsubishi weh. Kurutoga. 0.7mm auto sharpening system. Macam Beyblade kan. Okay, jadi saya mencuba inilah. Ni pula apa pula? Oh! Weh, terima kasih weh. Terima kasih Uniball. Please enjoy this complimentary Metal Fight Beyblade ball pen, especially good. Oh, terima kasih weh, terima kasih. Thank you so much, bro. Okay. Ni video Kurutoga. London Kotoga. Kamen Rider. Spider-Man. Weh, kau tahu tak kan? Toei kan? Kan Toei korang tahu dia sangat copyright kan? Tapi entah kenapa Spider-Man punya cerita yang Jepun kan, tu kan buat dari Toei. Tapi yang tu dia ada kat YouTube secara percuba. Aduh. Okay, mari kita mencuba. Mana dia punya mekanisme dia? Oh, mekanisme dia kat sini. Macam Gen Rubik's Cube. Revolving, baca di sini. Revolving action keeps the lead sharp. 0.7. Sebut dia lead bukan lead. Brother. Okay, mari kita mencuba ini. Sekejap. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Dun. Okay, kita keluar sikit. Mari kita mencuba ya. Kalau jadi mengikut teori, kalau kita tulis angkat nanti dia akan pusing. Jadi dia akan tajam ke diri sendiri. Bismillah. Ish. Jadi ke? Wow. Jom. Macam jadi ya. Macam jadi ah. Okay, sekejap kita cuba. Oh, dia menjadi. Dia sangat susah nak nampak tapi menjadi. Percaya saya. Best believe. Menjadi. Tengok. Tengok korang nampak kan. Dia mula ke kelabu kan. Tiba-tiba dia hitam balik. Okay. Wow. Okay. Mari kita cuba menulis. Okay, kita akan cuba menulis iaitu ayat The Brown Fox. Sekejap. So, The Brown Fox jumps over the lazy dog. Alamak. Aduh lah. Okay, boom. The brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. With white rice to survive life is quite nice. Okay, tengok ni. The brown fox jumps over the lazy dog with white rice to survive life is quite nice. Oh ya, lupa ni pensel jadi boleh padam lah. Nasib handsome ya. Okay, boom. Mathematics. Sesuai ni untuk mathematics. Let's go. Okay, kita buat graffiti lah. Kita buat tagging dahulu. Kita buat tag dan throw up. Saya malas nak buat piece. I didn't realize that the show was over. I didn't realize that the show was over. I didn't realize I was wrong. My baby's gone. Baby, baby, what you want for me, girl? Okay, buat throw up. Letak sini. I didn't realize the show was over. I didn't realize that the show was over. I didn't realize I was wrong. My baby's gone. Okay, nice. Okay, sekarang last pula. Kita buat karakter. Boom. Kita buat topi lah. Boom. I was playing a role, but I couldn't stop. But you brought down on me, girl, in the middle of the block. Ooh, soon as I stand here hurting, as they slowly brought down the curtain, girl, I didn't realize that the show was over. I didn't realize that the show was over. I didn't realize I was wrong. My baby's gone. Okay, jadi itu saja. Pastikan korang tekan butang like, subscribe dan tekan butang notification. Kesimpulannya, mantap ni punya pensel ni. Memang menjadi dia punya ni. Kalau korang ada RM9 nak beli, silakan. Dan juga kalau korang beli bulan ni dapat ni, saya baru tahu. Okay, bye. Bye.